creatures. Millions of years.
Bigger one.
For the last 100 million years, they've been nothing but perfect.
This is sleeping.
Dad is still found it up there, Mom. What kind of thing is it?
Eastern Diamondback.
Yep, that's the one I'm trying to see.
What, Eastern Diamondback?
Isn't that a gorgeous beast?
You're scared of him? Really? Oh. Can I throw somebody in a...
No.
Hey, I want to take a picture of a random snake.
We're trying to do though is raise up the funds to build a large outdoor alligator and have them out there again, and that way they can house them.
I hate to see them changed.
Don't have my phone anymore.
You're a little dangerous, aren't you?
Which one is this one?
Acagistrodon piscivorus.
Eastern Cottonmouth.
And this is Acagistrodon contortrix.
Yeah, Cottonmouth over there. Copperhead. Eastern greater snake. Gator.
Deadly poisonous.
What did he say?
Acagistrodon contortrix.
Oh, yes it is.
I'll definitely see like one or two.
Look.
Oh look, he's being cooperative.
This here now. That is a timber.
Rhodolus horridius.
You can tell how old they are by their rattle.
See,
Look at them both, baby.
they're hungry.
Looks like a cupcake.
It's about feeding time for these guys. They're hungry. Oh wow, man. What is he?
Northern pine snake, and I think it's a she. She got herself really comfortable. A young female, I'm pretty sure.
What a beautiful little beast.
We've got a marked as a
Personally, I'm afraid
female.
of snakes, but they're fascinating creatures, and I recognize that they're keystone species and very necessary in our environment.
On rat control.
Not just rats.
Nice.
They eradicate a lot of other vermin that people don't realize.
And she might get twice as big at least. She's one of the smaller ones. Anyway, she's marked as a female, so I guess somebody checked her out.
It has beautiful markings.
Yeah. She's not quite used to, she's not quite used to being handled as much as some of the other snakes, but she's friendly
All
enough.
this commotion around here. They don't see well, but they do see motion.
Oh yeah, they sense it.
Thank you, ma'am.
No problem.
Very gracious of you. Eastern corn snake. Just move slow, baby. Move slow. People rarely get this close. No.
Still somebody, I mean, yeah, and also there's a matter of too many people, what if the animal get dropped? They do let people pet them that come for their summer, like it's like almost a daycare, and front and back, you come in and you let kids pet it. You like it? You're older.
Yeah, big goldfish.
Is that what you think?
You can't climb on the rocks.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't. You
I don't know.
You cannot climb on the rocks.
I can't see it. I can't
That is the biggest goldfish. Ah, somebody's
Look up here. It's a gar.
Yes, I know. I've seen them before.
I thought that was a swordfish.
No.
I didn't know what that one is.
Florida had a lot of them, honey.
I don't recall ever swimming in Florida either.
I didn't swim in Florida.
Picture on it. I didn't want to swim.
Oh, no.
What do you say?
You guys are fine. Y'all don't have to move not 1 inch. You're just fine. That's the beauty of having a camera phone. You can reach the phone to where you want it to go. This is the Carolina pygmy rattlesnakes, Estrurius miliaris.
Is there anything in that one? I don't see it.
I'm thinking that if it is, it's underneath the pine cones and stuff. Be careful, baby.
Yeah, it is. What? What? What do you want? Did I say Justin? I said help you. There's so many of you.
Red on black can't kill Jack, and red on yellow will kill a fellow. So that's the coral snake. Micrarius fulvius. This is relative of the cobra. Actually, getting this close is a rare thing. Lovely wife. My beautiful niece. Hey, this is going on Facebook.
Grandma. Sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry.
Your Aunt Ruth will see that.
Oh, Aunt Ruth will call
And you just put that up in the middle of an 8-minute video. I can't go back. I can't undo this. No, you can't.
No, you can't. You could if you had the. Hey, have you ever looked at that one thing?
I'm hard to sell about that.
No, there's a thing called Flash. You can put up your videos and cut out bits of your video.
Yeah, I don't have the ability to run it.
You have a computer?
She does.
I don't know how to do that. You just go to download. Go to download thing and type in Flash. It's a video. You have to do it for Windows Media.
Eastern king snake, Lampropeltis gatulus.
What is so bad about this? Are they going to eat you?
Actually, those fish would be more likely to try to eat you than this little snake.
Oh
But
yeah.
they would be stuck on your finger.
Always got to prove your role, right?
They will try to suck on your finger and